Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error within the YouTube application. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to use the YouTube application but you face various errors while you're using it, then there are a few ways to fix this issue. First of all, check that you are connected to a stable internet connection through Wi-Fi or data. If this is not your problem and your internet connection is working just fine, then the next step is to check whether your YouTube application is up to date. So open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and then type in and search for YouTube. Once you find the application, go ahead and tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on this to install the latest updates. Go ahead and tap on this button and wait for a while until the installation is complete. Once the update is completed, you will see the open button once again. So go ahead and tap on this and see if your issue is fixed. If this still doesn't fix your issue, then one final thing that you can do is to long press on the YouTube application and then tap on the info button. This will now take you into the application info page for YouTube. First of all, tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner to stop the application. Then scroll down and tap on storage. And now from the storage menu, first of all tap on clear cache at the bottom right corner and then tap on clear data if clearing your cache doesn't help. When you tap on the delete button from the clear data option, this will delete all of your user data from the YouTube application and you will need to sign into your account once again. After this, however, your YouTube application will work as it is supposed to. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix your error within the YouTube application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.